Hello dear students. So, we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. And today we will discuss about plant fibers, that is cotton and jute. So, let's begin. So, first we will discuss plant fiber cotton. Cotton plant grows well in black soil and warm climate and needs moderate rainfall. In India, cotton is mostly grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Steps involved in the production of cotton. Step 1. The cotton plant has a small green fruit called the cotton bolls. When the cotton bolls mature, they burst, exposing the white fiber of cotton. Step 2. Harvesting. Harvesting means cutting off matured crops. In this case, when the cotton fibers dry in the sun, these bolls are handpicked by the farmers and collected. Step number 3. Ginning. The bolls have black seeds inside them. Ginning is the process of removing cotton fibers from the cotton seeds by combing. Once fibers are obtained from their source, they are converted to yarns. For this, fibers are drawn out and twisted together to get the thicker and stronger thread, that is yarn. The process of making yarns from fibers is called spinning. Spinning can be done by hand or by using a spindle or a charkha. For large-scale production of yarns, spinning machines are used. Yarn is then made into cotton fabric by weaving or knitting. And what is weaving and knitting we will discuss in our next video. Cotton fabric is stitched to make variety of cotton cloths. As you can see in this picture that from this cotton fabric we can make different types of cotton dresses like frock, shirt, kurti, etc. Now we will discuss about plant fiber jute. Jute grows best in warm and humid climates. It requires plenty of water. Plenty means more water. It grows best in alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is a mixture of sand, silt and clay particles. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Step number 1. Harvesting. Jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. When the jute plant is in the flowering stage, means when the plant will start producing flower, that time it is cut. Step number 2. Soaking of jute stems in water. The stems are then tied in bundles and are soaked in water for a few days, which rots the stems. Step number 3. Separating jute fibers. Once the stems become soft, the fibers are removed by hand. Then finally, jute fibers are used for making variety of products such as jute bags, sacks, rope, doormat, etc. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.